Hey guys, it's your girl Ebony Shay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with everything that's going on here. And as always, let's get into this look for the week. We gotta go to work. So I'm thinking of a ponytail style with curls and maybe even a bang with some curls as well. I got everything that I need here for this style. And we're gonna jump right on into this. So I'm trying to do more styles on my hair to keep from doing too many retwists. My hair grows pretty fast and I'm actually loving it. I'll probably do a retwist style this weekend with my Marley hair. But yeah, for this week's look, we're gonna keep it quite simple. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and spray. We wanna dampen this hair up because we want these curls to form. So we're gonna get it nice and damp all the way through, from the root to the tips. Just get it nice and wet with the water. Now I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner and I'm going to place it directly on my roots because I want to get them nice and moist for this style since it will be up in a ponytail. And we're just going to place a little bit all over, but yeah, we want it to be nice and moisturized. Now I'm trying to decide where I want my bangs, how I want my bangs, if I just want some pieces in the front or do I want to do a whole little swoop thingamajigger here. And I've decided to do just a good little section here up in the front, and then I'm going to pull it all up in the back. Yeah, don't be afraid to get in there and brush them locks, okay? I love brushing my locks. It feels so good and it keeps them nice and neat, okay? But yeah, especially when you're doing a good ponytail updo style, go on and brush them locks, honey. Put your band on, place it however you want to place it. I want mine to sit kind of high, so we're going to put it on up on the top of my head. Make sure you pull the hair that's feeling like any tension is on it. Go ahead and kind of slightly pull it to loosen up your ponytail because you definitely don't want to be pulling your hair out at the roots. So loosen up that tension, okay? I'm going to put my bonnet on the back part of my hair to keep it out of my way while I go in and roll the front. But first, we're going to go ahead and put some of our foam on it because like I said, we want to keep it nice and moist and damp as we roll the hair. And this will help the curls to kind of go ahead and set as well. This is going to be an overnight sit. Normally when I curl my hair, I like to curl it for a whole day and let it sit for a good 24 hours because I like to let it air dry. But this is going to be a quick fix. So I'm hoping my curls come out decent in the morning. Okay, we're pulling up this last one here in the front. And now that I have them all done, I'm going to go back in with my water and I'm going to dampen it some more here. Because like I said, I really need these curls to come on in for me overnight. And then I'm going to add a little foam on it as well. Okay, let's get into this ponytail, and it's going to be the same thing, okay? We're going to go in and we're going to spray these ends. Spray. And then we're going to go in with the foaming mousse. afterwards. And you're gonna put it all over your ends. Same process as before. We're just gonna go ahead and roll these bad boys, and I am rolling them individual because I want my curls to be as tight as possible. So you can roll them however you want to. I can't give a tutorial on how to roll, so if you don't know how to use a roller, that's on you. But same process as the front. We're gonna roll until we get them all pent up. Look at this little sneaky fella in the front. Let's get you together, okay? I'm gonna roll that up and we get back to what we need to do. All right, so I have my whole head completed, right? Pretty simple, pretty simple. We're gonna go back in with our water, spray. Okay, and even after I spray, like I said, I'm gonna let this air dry and sit overnight, but I am gonna go in before I go to bed with my handheld dryer, and I'm gonna kind of just put a little heat onto it to kind of help speed up the drying process, especially for like in the middle of my ponytails and things. But yeah, I have a couple of hours before bedtime anyway, so I'm gonna use a little of that heat and then let the rest air dry. I'm gonna wrap it up and put my bonnet on and stuff, and then yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. We'll see how these things are looking in the morning time. Okay, yeah, night. It is morning time and I am rushing to get ready for work, so I did take the back part of the curls out. I didn't get it on camera, but it's pretty simple on any taking out rollers. Is not hard to do or hard to explain, as you can see. So we'll take out the front together, and I must say I am happy how my curls came out. I'm so happy that they are still not wet or damp. They did dry all the way through, so yeah. Ooh, it's looking like something, y'all. I'm feeling it. And ooh, yeah. So this came out exactly how I wanted it to. A cute little ponytail style for the work week. Yes, and I'm gonna pin those curls up in the back because I want it to be more of a ball. But I'm loving this. Tell me what you guys think. Yeah, I had to pin up the front a little bit. I didn't like too much of the curls hanging down, but yeah. Are you feeling this look for the week?